Okay, so we're recording now. So on this one here, it says round your results to 3 decimal places, and we want to evaluate the expression. So I'm going to use my property, or the exponent property. Right, and this is just 1. Okay, then I'm going to use the exponent property again here. But that's 1. And so then this is, 9.2? Okay. And then this one here, we want to change from logarithm to exponential. So this is 5 to the third equals 125. This is 10 to the negative 2 equals 1 over 100. This one is log 1/2 equals 8. Log 1/2 of 8 equals negative 3. And so then, did I do that right? Yeah. Okay. And then, this one here is log of 125 of 25 equals 2/3. Okay? I'm sorry. Okay. Page 2. Okay, this one says change the base. So log base 10 of 44 divided by log base 10 of 7. We put that on our calculator. And I don't have to, on the calculator, log is just base 10. And we want 3 decimal places, so that's 0.945. 1.945. Log base 10 of 0.9 divided by log base 10 of 2/5. It's okay, but I would just leave it. There's no reason to. So log 0.9 divided by 0.9 divided by log 2 divided by 5, and I get 0.115. Okay. Now this one says expand and condense. So this is log 2, 3 plus log base 2 of 8 to the 4th, log base 2 of 3 plus 4 log base 2 of a.
Can we look at our test to see if we error?
We'll see. Let's finish this first. So this is ln x times radical x plus 1 minus ln of 2e to the 4th. And then this one I can split. And I can split that one. No, it is addition, but it's a minus here. So I just distribute the negative sign through. Okay. The ln e is just 1, so then my final answer is ln x plus 1/2 ln x plus 1 minus ln of 2 minus 4. Okay, and then last one on this page. Bring the 5 down. Okay. All right. Next page. This one we need to combine them. So this is just, this one here is right, and then multiplication. Okay. Now this one here I need to distribute first. And then bring the exponents up. And then this is division. And then multiplication. Scoot, which way? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Now the solving. So this is, I have x in the exponent, so I just need to take the natural log of both sides. And then bring the x down. Oops. Divide by L and a 3. And that's my answer. Okay, I can round a decimal if I want, but it doesn't say anything about rounding, so I left it as the exact answer. Okay, now this one here, same thing, except, well, I need to, not the same thing. I need to get rid of the log base 10. So that means I need to take the base and write it down there and put everything else in the exponent. Okay, and then this gets rid of that, so we get, and then I add 4. And I could write it out, it'd be, 4 zeros and a 4, right? I think that's what it is. Yeah, 4 zeros, and so 1 0 0 0 0 4, or I just leave it like that. I'm not too worried about the way the answer looks. And then last one, last page, but last one of the solving for x here is I need to get rid of the ln, so I'm going to raise both sides, or I'm going to make e the base and put everything else in the exponent. And then those go away. Okay. Now, we did this one in class, and the similar to what this is what this is. This one was a little bit more complicated, but it was still within our means. It's just algebra. Okay, and then, so you do your algebra stuff trying to solve for x, and then you get to the point where x is in the exponent, and then you have to use your logs, and then you finish it with algebra. So I'll show you. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator. Okay, I'm going to divide by 5. Oop, 5 equals 8 plus e to the 4x. Subtract 8. So I get 197 equals e 4x. Now this is just like the ones that we did on the other page. So all you had to do was do your algebra, and then you get to a point where it was just like what we had on the previous part. And so now I take the natural log of both sides. Okay, go up here. I use my exponent rule. Divide by 4. Now this one, it says round to 3 decimal places, so I don't want the exact answer, I just want you to type it in your calculator. Okay. Now on this one, notice this isn't like 2x in the exponent here, so this isn't a quadratic. So all I'm going to do is factor out an e to the negative x. And so then I have e to the negative x equals 0, or negative x plus 1 equals 0. And then this is just x equals 1. Or over here, to get rid of the e, I need to take the natural log of both sides. I don't know, D and E, however you want to do it, this is not possible, okay? So this is out of the domain, right? We can't, remember there's an asymptote at x equals 0. So this is not possible. There's no real solution here. And so then this is our only solution. Okay? And then this one, you can do, I think somebody in here actually was able to factor this without using a substitution. I'm just going to use substitution. It makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to say let e to the x equal a. And so then, so e to the 2x is equal to a squared. So then I have a squared minus 5a plus 6 equals 0, which is a minus 2, a minus 3. So then a minus 2 equals 0, or a minus 3 equals 0. So a equals 2, or a equals 3. But a is e to the x. And so then I take the natural log of both sides. And then bring the x down, and ln of e is just 1. Oh. And those are my solutions. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop the recording.